Alright, welcome everybody. How are you guys doing? Hopefully awesome. I'm doing great. Happy to bring you some value today in this video. So I want to do those videos more often, trying to keep them short, like under 10 minutes, so it'll be easy to review them, revise them, go over them a couple times. And what I'm gonna try to do, talk about different subjects or different ideas and thoughts and things that we can bring all together. Depends on your business, depends on your lifestyle, depends on what you want to do. You can take some of those less than 10 minutes videos and implement them in one way or another. So first thing I want to talk about today is how to find your superpower, or what you're good at, or the thing that make you unique. This process is a very important and crucial, but at the same time is not the easiest. And in general, actually, it's not easy to find what you're good at, because we usually not we're not aware of the things that we're really good at unless somebody tells us. But we're more often aware of the things that we need to work on, the things that we improve. Why? Because those are the things that we struggle with, and we feel that we're struggling with those things, and we always look for resources and solutions to overcome those obstacles. So that's why we are aware of them. However, it would be a lot easier to double down on what we are good at, instead of fixing one thing that we have a weakness in. So for so many years, for myself, for so many years, I tried to fix or work on my weaknesses one by one, and it's exhausting, the least to say. So yeah, I agree. Sometimes we have weaknesses that we need to work on, but when we dedicate all of our energy, thoughts, and power to work on our weaknesses, we're just gonna be, yes, we're gonna improve them, but by the end of the day, we're gonna be average. Everything that we have is average. So this is a different way of thinking, and I challenge you to think about this, what I'm gonna talk about today. Just take a step back and think about it differently. Maybe if you tried your whole life, or for the last couple years or so, to work on your weaknesses, maybe try to find what you're really good at and maybe double down on it. See how it feels. See what the result is. See how much progress you make versus working on things that weaknesses. And you know what? Once you work on your strength, once you work on the things that makes you who you are, then overcoming your weaknesses will become much easier, like a lot easier. So I want to start like with the very blank page. Like I have points on, I'm gonna share with you on how to find what you're good at, but in any action we take, the result of this action is gonna reinforce a belief that we have. Reinforce our belief. Hopefully I've spelled it right. Nope, I did not. Okay, believe. Yeah, this is, by the way, it's if you don't use this Chrome extension, it's really good. Grammarly, the free version. Oh my god, it's amazing. I've been using it, typing a lot, and corrects so many things. I'm even thinking of upgrading to the premium version of it, but the free one will do a lot more than what you think. So why I'm sharing this, like the action equal the result will reinforce our belief. If we are taking action on our strength, okay, or let's say let's call something cool. Take action on our super hero power. Here you go. That's more fun. So if we take action on our superhero power, whatever that is, it's unique to us, then the result was gonna be is gonna be a super result. All right. What would that do? How that would make us feel when we do something and will be awesome, will be amazing. What's gonna happen to our belief? Our belief is gonna be positive belief. Now gonna be reinforcing our positive belief in ourselves. All right. Alrighty. Okay, in ourselves. So what would that do basically for us? What would that make us do? We're finding our what's unique for us and what we are really good at. So I'm gonna put it right here. Good at. It's gonna be easy to be done. It's gonna be easy. We'll do that. That's easier for us to do. Then that will result to what? The result is gonna be a super result. Crazy good results. All right, super results. Results. That's gonna reinforce our positive belief in ourselves. So what would that do? What would that make us? That's the trick right here. Make us wanna do more. Got it? That's exactly what it's gonna do. So when we do more, we double down on our super. What is that? That's not hero. Hero. There we go. Okay, so what would that do? That would make us want to do more. We're doubling down on what we're doing good, get a super result, reinforcing our positive belief, want to do more. If we do this cycle, want to do more, we do more, we get more results, better results, even there's going to be even more super results, and it's going to be even more positive belief. Okay, and this cycle keeps going. If we do something trying to work on our weaknesses right in here, right at the get-go, which I did, super mistake, it's a crazy mistake. If you work on this one, the first thing, what's going to happen? You're going to have, if something you're not good at, you're going to have a crappy results. The crappy results get reinforced. See, I told you, I cannot learn this. See, I told you, this is not for me. See, you're going to have those debates and you're reinforcing the negative beliefs in yourself, which is that's what we do most of the time. That's where we get stuck at learning one thing, we get stuck at trying to lose that weight or gain that muscle, trying to get out of a job, but we cannot get out of it, or we just cannot see any improvement. But once we have a very high positive belief of ourselves that we can do what we want to do, then and only then start working on our weaknesses. All right, weaknesses. There you go. Start working on our weaknesses. I wanted this to be a very simple thing, but it's a very powerful. Like I cannot even emphasize it enough. Probably I'm gonna touch on this later. Looks like I am almost getting to the 10 minutes, or I passed the 10 minutes mark. So I'm gonna give you an actual action steps on how to get those to find what you're good at, to find your superpower, to find your thing, what makes you unique. So for that, there I wrote 3 points, 4 points. Here you go, 4 points that will help you do it. So what you do, you start by, and hey, by the way, this is not gonna be one-time exercise. Okay, it took me a while, and I just kept refining it till I actually felt what I'm good at and what I'm not good at. And you cannot find it, maybe you cannot find the three things right away. Maybe you find 30 and you feel the 30, all of them, they don't really make sense to you, but you just keep doing it. So list three things that make you stand out from your competition. Whether you are at a job, whether you are in a business, whether you are a student, or whatever it is, just think for yourself what makes you stand out. The other one, next one, list three specific skills that you've developed made you successful at what you do. Three skills. You just specific skills, like you're talking about. If you're in marketing, say, hey, I'm really good at Facebook advertisement for health and wellness. If you are in development, like coding, you say, hey, I'm really good at JavaScript, blah 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 thing. You just go really specific to what you do in any career, anything. You have something really good. Like I'm really good at doing lists, or making everybody thinking of the bigger picture. First, something specific skills, okay? And then you list two things in your business that makes you the happiest, and are things you would never outsource. So in every business, everything, every job that we have, there are things make us happy and things make us frustrated. For me, it's paperwork. I hate paperwork. I hate doing paperwork. I don't enjoy it. I don't enjoy doing Excel sheets and filling numbers and doing all these accounting things. I just don't enjoy it. I don't mind looking at it and reading it and making sense out of it, but I don't like creating them. So for you, what are the things that makes you happy and what things doesn't make you happy? So for me, is the things that makes me happy is the things that are really teaching people and talking to people and coaching them on problem solving. This one is an extra one. We'll go over this list again one more time in a different video, but for now, write down two to three stories that were turning points in your life, your epiphany moment. What this is gonna do actually to you, that's gonna make you think, well, this is a story in my life, that's a turning point in my life. Why I chose this story has a meaning to me. I can get the happy things out of it. I get the things that made me stronger, the things that made me move forward. So once you write a story, you actually your brain is going to think of why this one got stuck in my point, why this one I feel like is a turning point. Maybe even the story you ask someone else, like a family or a friend, and they don't think this is a turning point in your life. They think something else, but for you that was a turning point. So by writing those 2 3 stories, like, I mean, it doesn't need to be like pages and pages, could be just a paragraph, could be something you just remember right now and you think of a turning point. That will help you develop what you're good at, what's your unique skill. So hopefully that was helpful. I know I said under 10 minutes, I couldn't do that, so but I hope the information was worth it to get a little bit over 10 minutes. Maybe I should say, hey, I'll try to keep my videos under 15 minutes. Well, if you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'll try my best to read all of them, reply to them. And if you have a question, please ask questions in the groups, in the comments. Whatever you're seeing this video, just ask questions. That helps me make more content, add more values, and hopefully we'll see you soon in another video. Thank you.